After months of delay, the two teenagers accused of killing 18-year-old Dax Richens in June of last year appeared in court for the first time since January. I'm your Gooding neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, and I was inside the courtroom Tuesday morning as the suspects were asked to plead guilty or not guilty. 15-year-old Roland De La Cruz and 17-year-old Alexander Garcia are both charged in the murder of 18-year-old Dax Richens. Prosecutors say the teenage suspects lured Richens to a remote area of Gooding County back in June, beat him with brass knuckles, and stabbed him to death. The suspects are accused of going back the next day and attempting to hide the body in a shallow grave, even removing certain identifying body parts. As Idaho News 6 previously reported, both suspects were arrested in December after Gooding County investigators were able to use social media posts to build a case. On Tuesday, the teens appeared in court to enter their pleas. De La Cruz was the first on the docket, facing 2 felonies.
Count 1 alleges murder in the first degree. It also has a notice of intent to seek an enhanced penalty. Count 2 alleges a felony failure to report a death.
Under Idaho law, these charges would carry a life sentence.
Mr. Zollinger, how does your client intend to plead?
Enter not guilty, please, Your Honor.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on behalf of Mr. De La Cruz to both counts.
With a not guilty plea, De La Cruz will now face a jury trial set for September 2nd. The second suspect, Alexander Garcia, is charged with 3 felonies. Like De La Cruz, murder in the first degree with a weapons enhancement and felony failure to notify a death, plus an additional charge for what prosecutors say happened to the victim a day after he was killed.
Count 2 charges you with a felony destruction, alteration, or concealment of evidence.
Garcia did not enter a plea on Tuesday. His lawyer said they need more time with the prosecution to discuss her client's interests. District Judge Rosemary Emery granted the delay, with Garcia set to enter a plea on April 28th. Family members of the suspects were in the courtroom on Tuesday, but declined to comment at this time. Idaho News 6 will continue to follow the story and bring you any and all updates once they become available. Reporting in Gooding, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, Idaho News 6.